welcome to Winnie B. Winnie B, Winnie B, Winnie B, Winnie B. Anyway, hi, my name is Vidushi. I run a channel about fashion, beauty, tips and tricks, and traveling, and of course about my lifestyle. Okay, so moving ahead with our topic, as the title suggests, I will be telling you how you can figure out your personal style. Okay, personal style is more than a fashion. It is something that you really own it. How you are dressing, how you are presenting yourself, how you are dressing yourself, how you are behaving, your attitude, everything defines your personal style. And there are many personal styles, for example, bohemian style, chic style, glam style, casual styling, and a lot more. I will be putting some pictures right over here. You can just have a look up. You can just see them, you can just have a look. So getting your personal style is really very important, and how you can figure out your personal style, for that I'm right over here. I will be telling you 5 steps. Number 1, get inspired. Getting an inspiration is really very important. For achieving something, you need to get inspired. So how you can get an inspiration? You can get an inspiration by blogger, by content creator, by magazine, by Google, or by Pinterest. Let me tell you, Pinterest has different contents and varieties of content, and it's just like you will find everything right over there and get inspired. Okay, number 2 is you need to examine your inspiration style, how they are carrying themselves, their dressing sense, and everything. For example, I just love the styling of Ashna Shroff, Komal Pandey, and Dolly Singh. They are my inspiration and I follow them a lot. So number 3, prioritizing yourself. Keeping yourself first is really very important, because what you like, what you are following from past days, what you love to wear, and what you feel over here, like your like and dislikes really matter. What you like, you need to wear that. What you love, which trend you love, you need to follow that trend. In what you feel confident, in what you feel comfortable, that's really matter over here. Come to point 4. Point 4 is be creative. Okay, being creative is really mean keep on experimenting things, keep on trying the trends, and yes, don't follow all trends, because all trends are not meant for you. Number 5 is suggestions. Suggestions, something that you really need, because taking suggestions and giving suggestions is really very important. So when someone compliments you, you feel really good and you feel confident about yourself. You can just ask suggestions to you. In a conclusion, in a conclusion, what really matters is you. You are the one who can give yourself the best out of best, because your likes, dislikes, your taste and preferences, what sticks to you, what does not stick to you, it really matters. So you can just figure out your personal style once you एक जगह बैठो and सोचो कि आपको क्या चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, आपको क्या चीज़ नहीं अच्छी लगती है, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के साथ क्या चीज़ जाती है, क्या चीज़ नहीं जाती है. Then you can figure out your personal style. Okay, so these were my points, and I hope this will help you out. This will help you in figuring out your personal style. And if you really like my video, you can hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and press that bell icon too. Thank you for watching my video.